Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest reviews on everything beauty related. If you've been on the hunt for a toothbrush replacement head that offers professional level cleaning from the comfort of your own home, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about the Oral-B Daily Clean Replacement Brush Heads. If you're tired of spending a fortune at the dentist or struggling with a manual brush, let's see if these replacement heads live up to the hype. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review on the best beauty tools and products. Let's get into it. The Oral-B Daily Clean Replacement Brush Heads are designed for use with Oral-B's Pro, Smart, and Genius rechargeable toothbrush handles. This pack contains 6 brush heads, each crafted with round bristles that are meant to remove up to 100% more plaque compared to a regular manual toothbrush. If you're after a deeper clean and healthier gums, this could be the solution you've been searching for. Now, let's talk about the features that stand out. The round brush head design isn't just a gimmick. It's inspired by the tools used by dental professionals. The bristles are strategically placed to ensure each tooth gets individual attention. The bristles gently clean the surfaces of your teeth and gums, leaving your mouth feeling fresh without the irritation you might get from brushing too hard with a manual brush. In terms of usability, I'll be honest, it couldn't be easier to integrate these into your daily routine. The brush heads are compatible with most Oral-B handles, so if you've already invested in one of their rechargeable brushes, you're good to go. I personally swapped out the old brush head on my Oral-B Pro and noticed an immediate improvement in the quality of my brushing. The bristles felt soft, but firm enough to scrub away plaque, and my teeth were noticeably smoother after just one use. As for the performance, I've been using these for several weeks now, and they haven't disappointed. The brush heads are durable, and I didn't experience any shedding or fraying of the bristles. They work exactly as they should, and I've been able to maintain that dentist-like clean with minimal effort. One thing to note though, these heads do not fit the Oral-B IO series, so if you're using that model, you'll need to look for other replacements. Let's break it down into pros and cons. First, the pros. These brush heads are super effective at cleaning and give you that fresh feeling after each brush. The round shape and engineered bristles do exactly what they promise: remove plaque more effectively than a manual toothbrush. The heads fit securely on most Oral-B models, making them a convenient replacement. Now for the cons. While they work well, the price point might be a bit steep for some. If you're looking for budget-friendly replacements, these may not be the most cost-effective option. Also, as mentioned earlier, these aren't compatible with the Oral-B IO series, so that's something to keep in mind if you have that particular model. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's a solid purchase if you're already using an Oral-B rechargeable toothbrush and want to maintain that professional clean. These heads are an essential part of your oral care routine, and if you're someone who values having dentist-like results at home, the price is justified. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are some generic options that work similarly, but I always recommend sticking with the brand that's been trusted by dentists worldwide for years. Let's talk about build quality. These heads are well constructed. The bristles hold up well over time and they maintain their shape. The design is functional, no frills, but highly effective. As for longevity, the average recommendation is to replace your brush heads every 3 to 4 months. But I found that these last as expected, maintaining their performance. At this point, I'd love to hear from you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Customer service-wise, I haven't had to reach out to Oral-B, but I've heard that their customer support is generally reliable, responding promptly to any issues. There haven't been any recent updates to this product, so what you see is what you get in terms of performance and packaging. Now, if these aren't quite in your price range, you might want to explore other brush heads by brands like Philips Sonicare, which offer similar cleaning results at a slightly lower price point. To wrap it up, the Oral-B Daily Clean Replacement Brush Heads are a dependable option for anyone looking to upgrade their dental routine. They live up to their promises, providing an excellent clean and being backed by a trusted brand. If you're already invested in Oral-B's rechargeable toothbrushes, I definitely recommend these brush heads. Thanks for watching, and remember to leave your thoughts in the comments if you've used these or any other replacement heads. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.